Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can disable editing in Google Sheets mobile. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application. And first of all, we have to select a file. We would like to disable the editing on. And I'm going to select this file because I have shared this Google Sheets file to anyone. And I give edit access to anyone so they can edit my Google Sheets file. And after that, we can click on those three dots and select manage access. Okay. And here, as you can see, anyone on the internet with the link can edit this Google Sheets file. And I'm going to disable the editing. We can click on this option and select editor. And if you want to disable the editing, you can select viewer so they can only view your Google Sheets file and they won't be able to edit your file. But if you want to make it as restricted, you can click on anyone with the link and click on restricted so only people added can open this Google Sheets file. And I guess that's how we can disable editing in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.